This video stands as a continuation part for the part 1 which we have shared already for the CPC orders. So in part 1 we have explained how to remember easily from orders 1 to 21 in an easy way in a story format. So now we are continuing this video with the part 2 for the rest of the orders for 22 to 51 and the other parts how you need to remember the orders. And the link of the first video is also given in the description. So those who haven't gone through the part 1 of the CPC orders can refer to the link which is shared in the description below. So now going forward with this video, you are going to learn few tips and tricks how to remember easily the orders. So all these orders are given only for a remembering purpose and to recall it in an easy way. So just try to remember the keywords or the stories which we are explaining in this format. So now we are seeing the other set of orders which are having A by side by the order number. So these are the list of orders which are having A side by the order numbers. So remember all these orders at one place. 4A, consolidation of cases. 13A, summary judgment. 15A, case management hearing. 16A, related to attendance of witness, confined or detained in prison. 20A is regarding cost. 27A is suits involving substantial question of law. 32A is matters which are concerning or related to family. So these are one of the list of orders which you have to remember, which are all ending with A's beside the order numbers 4A, 13A, 15A, 16A, 20A, 27A and 32A orders. Okay, this is one of the list you can remember. So now we are going to other list which states about every order will be starting with suits by or against. So this is one more list where the orders are starting with suits by or against. So how to remember this? Just remember the numbers 2, 3, 4. Continuation of numbers 2, 3, 4. So add 4 and 3, that is 7. So from 27 to 34, these orders state about suits by or against. So what are these orders? We'll learn in detail. So the orders which are starting with the terms suits by or against. So as I said, the order numbers you have to remember. Just write 2, 3, 4 and add these two. So from 27 to 34. So let's see what are they and how do you remember them. Remember GMC, PTU, IM. So how to remember this? Say for example, just to recalling purpose, Guntur Municipal Corporation, GMC, Athlete PT Usha, PTU, IM immovable property. So just remember this for recalling purpose. Now we'll decode this. So for orders which are starting from 27 onwards till 34. So the first one, 27, suits by or against government. Next one, 28, suits by or against military or naval or airmen. Okay. And 29, suits by or against corporations. 30, suits by or against partnership firms. So for T, 31st order, which is suits by or against trustees. And for U, suits by or against unsound mind and minors. And the last two orders which are left is 33 and 34. So 33 is regarding suits by indigent persons and 34 is suits relating to mortgages of immovable property. So these orders start with suits by or against or suits. So just remember this code so that you can easily recall all this. So the code is GMC Guntur Municipal Corporation PTU, PT Usha and immovable property. So starting from I said 2, 3, 4. So it's 27 to 34. Okay. So 3 plus 4, 7. I wrote it here. So 27 to 34. So this is how you can remember. So the other set of orders which you need to remember at one place is order 26 and order 40, where these two orders speak about appointments. So 26 is appointment of commissioners and 40 is appointment of receivers. So these two deal with appointments. Now we are going to learn about the other set of orders which are left. So the orders which are left are from 35 to 51. So far we have covered all the orders from 1 to 34. So now we will be covering from 35 to 51. And one more thing, the easy way to remember is any order related to indigent persons will be always having dual number, that is 33 and 44. So these dual numbers are related to indigent persons, where 33 is related to suits by indigent persons and where 44 is related to appeals by indigent persons. So just to recall, remember indigent persons always they have dual numbers in the orders 33 and 44. So now going to the rest part of these orders. So there is other code which I am telling you, ISAT. So you know ISAT exam. So just write it in this format, ISSAT, ISAT. Okay. So for ISAT from 36, so from 35 to 39 you need to recall ISAT. So 35 is interpleader suit. 36 is special case. 37 summary procedure. So don't get confused between summary procedure and summary judgment. Order 37 is summary procedure, whereas order 13A is summary judgment. And the next one for ISAT, for alphabet A, 38th order, arrest and attachment before judgment. And the last one, 39, which is for temporary injunctions and interlocutory orders. So this is how you need to remember orders from 35 to 39. Now the rest of the orders which you need to remember are from 41 to 45. These deals about appeals. And here the code word which I am giving is apps. So generally the spelling is APPS, but here you need to remember apps and add just O in front of it. Okay. So O apps. App is an application which you use in the mobile, right? So just remember O apps from 41 to 45. So the first one, 41 order is original decrease. Appeals from original decrease. 42 is appeals from appellate decrease. 43 is appeals from appellate orders. 44 is appeals by indigent persons. As I said you earlier, remember dual numbers 33 and 44. So this is appeals by indigent persons who can also be called as termed as pauper. So that's why I have mentioned P here. And the last one, 45, which is appeals to Supreme Court. So this is the set of appeals you need to remember. Likewise, so do not get any doubt on this. Just refer to this video and just make a note of all the order codes which have been mentioned. So 1 to 21, refer to the story which is mentioned in the part 1 of the video for the orders, so you can recall it. And later on we have given a other set of orders which are having A side by the order numbers. The next one is set by order starting with suits or suits by or against. So for that we have given GMC, PTU and IM as a code. And the next set for indigent persons where dual numbers are used for orders. And the next set of orders 35 to 39 where we have given ISAT exam. So remember this ISAT and remember the orders from 35 to 39. And the last one which we have given is 41 to 45. All this for appeals. So remember apps, apps. So this is the code. And the rest all orders you just need to remember. So 46 reference, 47 review, 48 miscellaneous, 49 chartered high courts, and last two orders 50 and 51 provisional small cause courts and presidential small cause courts. So this is the list of orders you need to remember in an easy way. Hope you like this video and it helps you to recall. See you in the next video.